Fire it up, hit the active button. Screen starts to go away because I have powertrain set to track and manual, and handling set to comfort because I'm a little baby. Aero button is pressed, and that's pretty much it. You're ready to go. Grab a paddle, put it into drive. Let the adventure begin. Oh my God. Oh boy, this car is crazy. This car is crazy. So the 720S is one of the most amazing cars I've ever driven. And the 600 LT was good but punishing. This is more capable than a 720S. Not as comfortable, but not as uncomfortable as the 600 LT. There's a bit more room in these seats. I don't know if I'm making that up or if it's just because I lost some weight. Regardless, this thing is crazy, ferocious, insane. It's wild that this is a legal street car you can buy if you have the money to do so. It has Pirelli R compound tires, Trofeo Rs. It has insane brakes. It has a lightning quick 7-speed dual clutch gearbox, and it has an incredibly responsive twin turbocharged 4-liter V8, making 754 horsepower. Oh my God, it's 44 more than the 720S, and this weighs less than the 720S. It's just under 3,000 pounds. Oh my God, the acceleration is so quick. It's so quick. So we've been spoiled recently with electric cars that accelerate very quickly, but there's less drama because there's no noise like you get in the engine. This has all the drama. This has all the insanity. This is crazy. This is crazy. I just met you. Have my babies. You got that quad stacked exhaust out there, horizontally stacked, whatever. My brain doesn't work right now. The turn-in is so sharp. There's so much feel through the steering system. The hydraulic suspension setup is just amazing. What can you say about this car besides it is perfect? If you need to go quick or fast, it's the answer. You're more connected to the car than the 720S because there's less sound deadening inside. You can hear more of the engine. It's just insane that, like I said, that this car even exists. No electrification to boost what it can or can't do. I mean, this has to be the limit of non-electrified road cars. No doubt about it. Your feet feel like they're right there with the front axle, so when you turn, you're one with the car. The seating position is just excellent. It's fantastic. And it should be for the as-tested price of $430,000. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Yowza! There's a drift mode that's adjustable, and I'm not going to use it right now because I don't have the skills or the space. This is a car that on a racetrack must just be effortless. It must be absolutely effortless to set blistering lap times. Even for ham-fisted fools like myself, it has to be way up there on the list of cars that you go, oh wow, look at me, maybe I know what I'm doing. And you don't, the car does. Let's turn around. There's these buttons right here. The rear view camera displays nicely in the screen here. Yeah. The infotainment system seems to be improved over prior versions. But who cares about that? You just do, oh, Jesus Christ, oh my God. Ferocious. I just made a weird laugh that I don't think I've ever made that noise before. What you can do, and the A-pillar is like canted slightly to the side so you can look through the corner. It's clear. The wing doing its thing back there. Oh my God, this is the best car ever! If you can afford one of these, please drive it. Please find a track day. Or if you have your own private driveway canyon, just, fucking do awesome stuff. Enjoy the car. Don't let it sit. Don't let those tires get flat and dry rotted. Don't let the battery run down. Drive the shit out of this thing because it deserves it. My body is literally tingling right now. I've got the fizz, as Jeremy Clarkson, I think it was Clarkson who says the fizz. This car gives me the fizz. Maybe it was May. It doesn't matter. What matters is how great this car is. I'm talking louder and louder. I'm probably blowing out the speakers because my brain is broken. My brain is broken. So good. So much brakes. Hammer it and go. Red line is at or near 8,000 RPM. I don't want to take my eyes off to look and tell you. Just so much confidence through corners. The car is flat. The car is neutral. I gotta slow down for a minute before something blows. My head, my heart, something else. It's rare that I get like a woo sensation from a car these days, even from cars I really enjoy. This car gives it. This car is special. We should cherish cars like this for being made, even if it's likely that we will never see them, touch them, smell them, sit in them, drive them, hear them, any of that. It's great that they exist. And for those of you who do put one of these in your driveway, for the love of Christ, drive it! Not the best idea.